Black light one more time.
Even lost our mind. Have you forgotten that once we were brought here, we were robbed of our name, robbed of our language, we lost our religion, our culture, our God, and many of us, by the way we act, we even lost our mind.
I believe the brother has a point, and I think that we forgot who we are. Now, at one point in time before the Caucasian came to America, the black man was living in many parts of the planet. All over the globe he was living. And when I mean the black man, I'm including the brown, the red, and the yellow. Why don't I include the Caucasian? Because he's lacking color or hue or melanin. He's lacking not only melanin, he's lacking compassion for the darker people. Why do I say that? Well, it's history. It's evident that he done been all over the planet killing the darker people of the planet, darkening himself. He's over fighting wars in other countries, dominating the resources. He has mostly all of his troops over in other lands, killing people. And we are paying for the support of the troops over there, dominating the planet, taking people's land and their resources. The pattern that he's been on that pattern ever since he came out the caves of Europe in the Caucasus Mountains. He's been Alexander the Great conquering, Caesar conquering, you know, and all those in between, conquering other people's land. Christopher Columbus slaughtered thousands of Indians using the same MO. Same MO. He come like your friend. We fall for his smile. He presents a book to us like he's a peaceful man, and Jesus Christ, he's so holy and pure because he's a follower of Jesus Christ. But you notice he done took on, he's following Muhammad now. That's why you got white Muslims. You got white Buddhist priests. Confucius. You got white people that follow Confucius. He done took on, then you got Moses. You know, he done took on all the darker people's prophets, and he's following them. But you know, like it's like the good cop and the bad cop. The bad cop kills you and beats you, and the good cop comes in, pretends like he's your friend, just so he could put you in jail. He fools you and tricks you. Now he been doing that for 6,000 years. And in the past 400 and something odd years, over here in America, things has gotten worse for the black man because you no longer in your neighborhoods own the mom and pop store, gas stations. All your money goes out your neighborhood over to the Arabs, or I wouldn't call them Arabs, I would call them Chaldeans. Really, they white men perpetrating the fraud. And look at the population of the jails. And look at how many black men the police kill. Now, why is that? Why is it like it is? Because we're afraid. You're actually afraid of him in your subconscious mind. And you use any excuse not to protect yourself. You'll kill your brother, another black man, quicker than you would the Caucasian. A black man come up in your house and steal, and you'll take your shotgun and blow his head off. The white man is taking from you, stealing from you every day. Matter of fact, you gotta pay. Every move you make, you gotta pay for it. You know, it's a shakedown. You know, extortion. You can't move unless he permits you to move. This is Black Light. Now, is that a fair assessment? Let's reason together.